In this video, I'm going to tell you 12 freelance jobs for beginners that actually require no experience. All right, so let's get into it. So one of the 12 freelance jobs that you can do right now without any experience is you can become a virtual assistant. So this is Fiverr.com, and it is one of the most popular freelance platforms out there. And there are a wide range of jobs that you can do, or freelance jobs you can do on this platform. And virtual assistant is one that you can do and become without any actual experience. So you can do something like, say for instance, cold calling, as this job says right here. And they also do skip tracing. Call center and calling, I think, would probably be one of the easiest ones, as well as file conversion and administrative work. So that potential client will send you the information that they need input for the administration services, and you simply input it, whether it be an Excel sheet, whatever it might be. There are a wide range of virtual assistant services that you can offer on Fiverr and all the other freelance platforms like Upwork, People Per Hour, Freelancer, Guru. There are a wide range of freelance platforms where you can offer your services on, and virtual assistant is one of them. Now, I've hired many virtual assistants, so it absolutely works, and you actually can earn money as a virtual assistant online. It's quite great because it frees up a lot of people's time. So if people have the money to, they're willing to hire virtual assistants to free up their time more than anything. But they want to make sure that you can do the job. So make sure that you pay attention to what it is that client hires you for and what they need done so that you can actually do it. So virtual assistant is one of those jobs that you can actually do online as a freelancer without any skills. Next up, we got social media design, which is pretty great because everybody's on social media these days. Everyone, their mom, their grandmother, their granddad, everyone is on social media. And so people need social media posts created. So if you look at these gigs right here, you can do social posts and banners, thumbnail designs, headers and covers, AR filters and lenses. But more so, these first three would probably be options if you have never done it before. And all you have to do is play around with some designs. And one of the places that I would highly suggest is Canva.com. So Canva.com is a free website where you can actually create a free profile and actually start creating social media posts for people right away. You see this right here? There are a wide range of templates they have available. So all you have to do is edit the words, edit some of the images of the templates, and send it off to your potential clients, and you will be good to go. Make sure that it looks really well, it's really well put together. You pay attention to what it is they tell you they need done, and you should be good to go. So Canva is pretty perfect for social media design. And there's a wide range of different things you could do with social media and what people are looking for. Next up, you got influencer marketing. Now, influencer marketing is easy to do because, simply put, it's about shout outs and promotions, strategy and research, long-term collaborations. So when it comes to influencer marketing, what people usually do is they will go onto social media platforms. First, they need to know what it is the client is looking for, what hashtags they want them to search for, any people that are, or accounts that are similar to what it is that they're doing. And they would simply search social media and find those accounts and actually connect with those influencers, so to speak, and actually see what the price is for their promotions and see if they can actually get some type of a discount or a deal for that client. So they will actually contact those influencers, right? Put them on some type of a list, and then see if they can get a connection between them and their client so that they can actually get promotions and things done for them. So it's pretty great, and it's not that difficult to do either. All you have to do is reach out to those influencers on those social media platforms. And that is not at all difficult to do. Make sure you keep track of it. Make sure you know as much as you can about your client, and start doing some influencer marketing for them so they can build up their social media platforms. All right, next up we got proofreading and editing, which you might need some sort of skill with this because you want to make sure that if it's English, that you need to proofread and edit then you want to have excellent English skills. English 101 in college, or if you're in high school, make sure you have a B or an A in the class, to make sure you actually can do really good proofreading and copy editing. And so as you can see, people offer these services, and people are more than willing to actually have them do their proofreading for them, whether it be for their books, whether it be for essays or anything, professional rewrites. A wide range of different proofreading and editing is needed. Not social media. Sorry, I just mentioned social media, but a lot of proofreading and editing will be needed for a wide range of different papers, books, a lot of different manuscripts, all these things. People are willing to do those things and offer them as services, and you can as well. So yeah, there's wide different things. She mentions that she will edit up to 2,000 words, and you get to put your own price. So that's perfect, and you'll find a wide range. So it's up to you to put the price that you are willing to work for. If you have the skill set, you can actually raise that price. So this is proofreading and editing that you can offer. Next up, we got LinkedIn profiles. So that means you can optimize LinkedIn profiles for people that are, whether they be professionals or they're newbies starting out and they want an optimized profile. They will actually hire you to do that for them. And so that's not too difficult either, but you want to be able to know that you can do it. First, start off by optimizing your own profile first, because they will look at your profile to make sure that you actually can do what it is that you say you can do. So that's LinkedIn. They want a professional profile. They want to make sure that when people see it, they're actually willing to contact them and be like, hey, I like what it is that you can do, and let's work together. So it's LinkedIn profiles. Next up, there's transcription. And when it comes to transcription, you have a wide range of different possibilities when it comes to transcription. So this says you must transcribe 60 minutes of audio or video in 24 hours. And there's a wide range of different audios that needs to be transcribed, whether it be medical transcription, which a lot of people actually do for a living. So interviews, podcasts, webinars, conferences, and accuracy, of course, is important. There's a wide range of transcription jobs that you can do for people. So the possibilities are out there, the opportunities out there. You just have to find them and actually do them. And transcription is not hard. There's also transcription software out there as well that you can subscribe to. So there's a possibility for you. And here is product descriptions. So for like Amazon, for Shopify, if you're really good at sales copy, you can actually be hired to provide the descriptions for a lot of different products on these platforms like Shopify and Amazon, as I mentioned, and people are willing to hire you to do that. So make sure you put your gig up there and actually do it. And of course, SEO optimization is really important. But it looks like a lot of Amazon products people want to have descriptions created for, and ones that, as she mentioned, that sell. Gotta want to sell. So you can actually create product descriptions, and that's not difficult. Next up, you got market research, which a lot of businesses will need market research done because they want to see what their competition is doing. They want to see how they can get in front of more potential clients. So market research will be important. It says general online research, surveys, domain name research, full package, consultations, interviews, and focus groups. So you want to know what people want as well. So the interviews and focus groups is important. So you can do a lot of different things when it comes to that market research for those potential clients that need what it is that you can offer for them. So that's not too difficult, not too complicated, and it's something that you could actually do right away. Just make sure that you can do it. Because that's the difficult part, is when you say that you can do something and it turns out that you can't actually do it. So I've run into a number of freelancers or potential freelancers on Fiverr that have said they can do things, and unfortunately they cannot. Research is important, so be resourceful though. So you can look it up online. You can find the competitors. I think is probably the easier, the competitor research, customer analysis, things like that, and start doing it. Next up, we got data entry. So copy and paste, web research, data formatting, and cleaning. Data entry is pretty big. And because a lot of clients or potential clients need data either inputted or extracted from some type of document, and they will hire you to do those jobs for them. So this one says they do data entry, lead generation, prospect email list building, web research, web scraping, PDF to Excel or Word, which is pretty simple to do, and you can actually do that. Automation, yeah. So there's a wide range of different things, and she has fast typing, which would be good as well. So you can get the job completed a lot faster than others could. So yeah, these are virtual assistant services as well. So data entry is pretty big, so as you can see. Definitely something that you can do online and start working as. Next up, we got email copy, which is not bad. And you actually want it, as it says, that converts and generates sales. But you just got to know how to write sales copy. And that's not too difficult. And so, yeah, for email campaigns. So sometimes people will have like MailChimp or something like that, and they want a chain that goes. So that would mean the first email will fire off, and then the next email will fire off the next day, and then the next day, and the next day. And so they want you to write that email chain for them so that they can get people that are interested in the services that they can provide and actually get those sales for them. So they will hire you to create their email copy. Killer emails, more sales. There you go. Cold email sequences. Yeah, so these are services that you can absolutely provide. Of course, again, if it's English, as I said, make sure you have some really good English skills. Then you got presentations. So if you have a PowerPoint presentation subscription or account, then this will be fantastic for you because you can create PowerPoint presentations for these potential clients, pitch decks, whatever it is they might need done. Have really good presentations, nice colors, something that's put together really well for them. And yeah, you can actually do that for them. And that's literally a skill that you can start doing right away. And it requires, there's templates within PowerPoint, and also you can purchase a number of templates, edit the text on it, and make sure it looks really nice and neat. It is coherent, and you can work with those clients, and they will be excited to work with you and keep working with you. So yeah, you can land those jobs and do really good. So it's not too complicated. Just know that it's an opportunity and get on it. And lastly, we have invitation design, which is not difficult either. So you can actually create like wedding invitations, party invitations, of course, a wide range of different invitations. Like here it is, this birthday party celebrations, a lot of different types of invitations you can create. It can be even business invitations for some business party. And yeah, just nice little designs, changing the text, templates, all those things. You can do that. It's not complicated. It's not too complicated. You can actually just get it done. Make sure it looks nice. Make sure it's something that you would actually be willing to purchase and pay your money for. Because if it's something that you're not willing to pay your money for, then why would you expect your client to pay their money for something that you're giving them, something that you've created for them and are offering them? So make sure it's something that you can put your feet in. You put yourself in your client's shoes and say, hey, this is really good. Like, I actually would purchase this myself. Otherwise, don't do it. Don't actually offer them that. Don't provide that for them, because if it's a really horrible design that you wouldn't even pay for, don't do your clients like that, because you won't get that repeat client. That won't work out so well. And again, you can go to Canva for all these types of designs. But yeah, and you can just start working without that experience, and start working for yourself, doing all of these different skills, and enjoy what you do, because you want to have something that you truly enjoy doing. Otherwise, what's the point of doing it, right? So yeah, hopefully that was helpful. So now all you have to do is actually create those profiles on those platforms, those freelance platforms, and start getting to work with those potential clients. You got those freelance jobs that you can start doing right away, and yeah, just start getting to working. If this was helpful, I hope that it absolutely was. And give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you have any questions. Put them below in the comment section, and I will be sure to get back to you and answer any questions. I appreciate your time, and thanks for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video.